in java.util package for taking what are the constructors and methods are available in the string tokenizer class. I will show you in the Java documentation. Now currently I am using Java Platform Standard Edition 8 documentation. Now to go to the API, we have to choose Java SE API. In this one, we have to go to the package, that is util package. Now search the util package. The util package is, now I am finding the util package. Yes, this is the util package. In the util package, we have to go to the classes category. In this classes category, we have to search for the string tokenizer class. Now the string tokenizer class, this is the string tokenizer class. Yes, the string tokenizer class, it is in the java.util package. Now we can go to the description regarding this string tokenizer. The string tokenizer class allows an application to break a string into tokens. That means whatever the string you have given, these string will be breaks into the tokens. For example, here I have a one string. For example, this is a test. This is a test. This is the string. In this one, we have the various tokens. That is, this is a and test. The string is divides into the tokens based on the space delimiter, and that it can be depends on the constructor which you are using. For doing that one, go to the constructors. Now here in this constructors list, we have totally 3 constructors. First one is a string tokenizer with string. Next one is a string tokenizer with a string and also string delimiter. First of all, I am going to the first constructor. What is description? The constructs a string tokenizer for the specified string. The tokenizer uses the default delimiter set, which is space /t/n/r/f. That means the space character, the tab character, the new line character, the carriage return characters, and the form feed characters. Next one, the delimiter characters themselves will not be treated as tokens. Next, we can go to the another constructor. What it is doing? This is a constructor which it will specifies the delimiter. That means based on the given delimiter, it will divides a string into tokens. For doing that, we have those some 2 important methods are available. Generally, to count how many tokens are available, you can call count tokens method. Next one, has more elements or has more tokens. These are the 2 similar methods we can use it. Similarly, we have the another methods is next element as well as next token methods. This is next element method is returning object, whereas next token is returning a string object. Now let's go and check the code for this one, how we can implement the string tokenizer class. For that one, I am using the Eclipse IDE. In the Eclipse IDE, I am creating a one class. Now I selected a class. Later come to the browse for selecting the packages. Now I am selecting the package is Java Code 2. In that one, I am creating a class name as string tokenizer demo. This is I am giving a class name as string tokenizer demo. Now it is creating a class. It is created a class with the name string tokenizer demo. Yes, it is creating. First, we have to import the package, that is import java.util package. That is, we have to provide the package is util dot asterisk. Next, come to the class. Here in this one, I am writing the main method. For writing the main method, you can use main and control space. It is used to get the shortcuts. first here I am closing the semicolon, later come to here main, or you can write manually, use public static void main, and main method will take a string array as an argument, so args. Later create a string tokenizer. Before going to that one, I am creating a string as string str equals to sample example on string tokenizer class. Here this is the text I have taken as a string. Next one, use the object, create the object for string tokenizer stk equals to new string tokenizer with str. Now I want to count the tokens. For that, int count equals to stk dot count tokens. It is used for counting the tokens. Now I will print how many tokens are available. For that one, I am using system dot out dot println tokens or I am printing the number of tokens it is available, use plus s count. Now it is used to print the tokens. Now I want to print all the available tokens. For that one, I am using a while method. In the while, I am using stk dot has more tokens. I am calling the method has more tokens. This method will return a boolean expression. If it is having the tokens, it returns a boolean expression true or otherwise false. That means when there is no tokens, the while method that is has more tokens method will return a false expression, then while loop will be terminated. Now to use the token, I am using string token equals to stk dot next token. Yes. Later I am printing its token system dot out dot print ln, used to try to print token. Now I am executing the code. For executing in Eclipse IDE, we have to call control F11. Now it is trying to compiling. It is compiling the code. Now we may get the output. For that one, here in the console window, it is showing you tokens or 6. First token is sample, next token is example on string tokenizer class. These are the available tokens for us. Similarly, I will show you one more example on this string tokenizer class with the second constructor. For that, I am using that is string token demo 2 I am using. In that one, you have to import the package java.util package. Later come to the class. In that we have to write the main method, that is main method I am written. In this main method we have to take a string, that is string stk or str equals to, I am giving like email IDs like info@gmail.com. This is the one token. Separator is the semicolon I am using. Next one, write another one like another email ID admin@hotmail.com. Next, separated with semicolon. Next one, manager, that is I am writing manager at the rate like gmail.com. These are the strings I have taken. Later one I am using again string tokenizer stk equals to new string tokenizer with the second constructor. First one is str, second one is delimited with the semicolon. Yes. Later I may copy the code of I have written in the previous example, that is I am copying the same code into this example. Now right here is try to run this code by using control F11. Now you can think check that one output is tokens are 3. First token is info@gmail.com, second one is admin@hotmail.com, and third one is the manager@gmail.com. These are the two different ways we can use the string tokenizer class to take a string into the tokens, either by using default delimiters or otherwise the user defined delimiters. I hope you enjoyed the code. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the notifications.